Hey guys, Jorge here. So here we're gonna do some front brake pads on this Hyundai Sonata. This Hyundai Sonata was pretty beat up. So the tools you're gonna need is obviously the 21 to remove the tire, 17 to remove to hold the caliper slide pin, and then 14 to remove the bolt from the rear, and a screwdriver. Also, if you want to use the brake compressor tool, you can too. So here I'm just trying to compress the piston. This car had no brake pads. You'll see how bad it is. But this car is kind of beat up, honestly. So let's see. So here I'm going to remove the 14mm bolts. Also, the one of the slide pins were kind of stuck. I had to work them out a little bit to grease them. They came out though. Remember guys, please go subscribe to my channel, CarPro DIY. CarPro DIY. CarPro DIYER. So here I'm just gonna remove the brake pads. Oh, you'll see right now. Look at this brake pad right here. It's crap. You just putting the brake pads on. Yeah, remember to always grease the points on the brake pads. And take the guide pins out, or slide pins, however you want to call them. Grease them up. So you see, this bottom one was the one that gave me a hard time. So I ended up, off video, I ended up just kind of like, I ended up using my impact gun with the 17, spinned it around, pulled it out, cleaned it, and then here we are putting it back in. I had to remove the brake pads again because they were just vibrating a lot while I was trying to do that. But it got done, Yeah, I greased it a couple times, checked it, and then just to make sure that they're moving freely, did that top one again. Putting the hardware back on, top and bottom. Then I'm gonna put the brake pads back on. Grease the brake pads again just in case. Put that thing back in there. Same thing for the other one. Now, I'm gonna go get the brake compressing tool to compress the caliper piston, because it didn't go all the way in with the screwdriver. So yeah, this basically is like, you just slide it in the caliper, put the little moon shape adapter, and then just start spinning it till it compresses the whole brake pad. Yeah, pushing it all the way in. You'll know when it's ready. It'll bottom out when you feel like it won't take no more. Then that's it. You're done. Almost there. Almost there. See, there it's done. Then I'm gonna loosen it up. Then pop that caliper back in there. It's a little tight. There's not much flex on the caliper hole, so that's why I had to remove both bolts on it. And put everything back in, that bolt in with that 14. So here, holding the 17 so that the guide pin doesn't move while I tighten it with the 14. I do the same thing with the other one too. I'll switch to the other side. This should be it right here. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And then if you guys want any specific videos, go ahead and shoot me a message on the video, comment below. Thank you.